Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will discuss some previous year logical reasoning question asked in Infosys. Okay, so we will discuss some question and we will also discuss some shortcuts or different formulas which will save your time and we can solve the question very quickly. Okay, so let us start. So this is the first question on your screen and you can pause the video and you can try it yourself, then we will move to the solution. Okay, so see in this question, as you can directly see, we have to find the next alphabet pair in the series. So we have to fill this blank and we have been given 4 options. So see, one thing is very clear. Whenever you have given something like this, alphabets are given, it means it will be, you have to draw one alphabet table beforehand. Okay, because it will be always used. So I have drawn here. So you have to draw in this way, A to Z and 1 2 3 4 up to 26, and I think many of you are clear. So ABCD you have to start from 1 and then so on. So the value of, suppose M is 13, T is 20. In this way you have to draw one table because it will be used. Now it is very simple. By after drawing this table it become very easy. So you have to do nothing, you have to just place the number instead of this letter. So in place of I we have to give its value 9, and for F we have to give 6, so 96. For D we have to give 4, and for H it is 8, so 48. For B it is 2, and for D it is 4, 24. Now I think you got the pattern. So 24, 48, 96. You can directly see the pattern, and what it is, we are just getting the double. So 96, 24 into 2, 48, 48 into 2, 96. Or 96 by 2, 48, 48 by 2, 24. It means the next will be 24 by 2, which is 12. So there should be 12. And 12 means 1 for A and 2 for B. It means AB. So the option, this one. So option B will be our answer. And I think it is very simple. So see, always be clear whenever you have like this type of question, please be ready with this type of table. Okay, it will save your time. And after you can directly see by just filling the values we got the answer in a straightforward manner. So this was the question number 1, and I hope many of you might have solved. If you have solved, then it's okay, you are good. Okay, now we will move to the second question. And this question, although it seems a bit lengthy, but it is very simple. Okay, so this is the question, this is answer. You can pause the video and you can try. Okay, so start. So it is just given a passenger train covers the distance between stations X and Y 50 minutes faster than a goods train. So it is given that passenger train cover 50 minutes faster than a goods train. It means if goods train cover in 1 hour, passenger train will cover in 10 minutes because it is 50 minutes faster. Okay, and the distance between X and Y is 25. So between the stations, so distance we have been given. If the average speed of the passenger train is 60 km per hour, find the average speed of the goods train. So this is a simple question from speed and distance. So what we have to find? We have to find the speed of goods train, and we have been given everything for passenger train. So let us move to the solution. So see, for passenger train distance is given, speed is given 60, and we have to calculate just the time. And to calculate the time we know the formula, and which is very easy, which is distance by speed. So time equals to distance by speed. So we have to just put the value and we will get the time. So but in this case I have converted kilometer to meter and kilometer per hour to meter per second, because the answer it is in meter per second. Now there we will use the shortcut. So keep this shortcut in mind, okay, and it will help you. So whenever you have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, you have to just multiply by 5 by 18. Okay, so kilometer per hour to meter per second, then 5 by 18, and meter per second to kilometer per hour 18 by 5. Okay, so how we will remember this? So see, kilometer is larger, meter is smaller. So if we have to convert larger to smaller, take a smaller in the top. Okay, so 5 by 18, kilometer per hour to meter per second, then 5 by 18, and meter per second 2 kilometer per hour, then 18 by 5. You have to just multiply. Okay, so it was in the kilometer per hour 60, and we have to convert to meter per second. So just do 60 into 5 by 18. Okay, and we will get 50 by 3 meter per second. And we will just put this two value, we will get the time. As simple as that. And the time is 1500 second. We will get in second, and we convert it to minute by dividing second to minute. How we can convert? By dividing by 60. Okay, so 1500 by 60, which is equals to 25. So we got 25 minutes. Okay, now what was the question? That goods train is 50 minutes faster than passenger train. Oh sorry, passenger train is 50 minutes faster than goods train. So if passenger train will cover in 25 minutes, it means goods train will be 25 plus 50, 75 minutes. Okay, because passenger train is faster, so it will take 25 minutes and goods train will take 75 minutes. Okay, so from here we got the time for goods train, and distance is same, so distance is 25 kilometer. Time we got, then we can easily calculate the speed by the same formula. Okay, so speed equals to distance by time. Just put the distance and just put the time, and we will get the speed, which is 50 by 9 meter per second. So this was all. And if you have solved it is okay. If you not, then you have to just keep this formula in mind. Time equals to distance by speed, and keep this shortcut. But if you do not want to remember this, we can go as usual also. It will just take few seconds, but it's okay. Whatever you prefer, you can do. So once again we can recall. So kilometer per hour to meter per second, you have to just multiply by 5 by 18. Okay, and the reverse means meter per second to kilometer per hour, then 18 by 5. Okay, that's all. So this was question number 2. Now we will move to the last question, which is this one. So you can pause the video and you can try. Okay, so it is given a boy has 7 different toys. In how many ways he can choose one or more toys? So I think this question we have solved in our, I think, standard 11 or 12. So see, this is basic permutation combination question. So a boy has 7 different toys. In how many ways he can choose one or more? So we have to just find how many ways he can choose either 1 or 2 or 3, 4 up to 7. So let us move the solution. So answer will be just simple. So we have learned that to choose one train from 7, it will be 7C1. So it is asking one or more. Similarly, we will choose 2 toy also. So it will be 7C2, 7C3, 7C4 up to 7C7. So this will be our answer. From 7C1 to 7C7, you have to just calculate. Okay, because it is saying in how many ways he can choose one or more. So 1, 2, 3 up to 7, all we have to calculate. So it will be 7C1 plus 7C2 plus 7C3 up to 7C7. So it will be equal to 127. Now see, if we do in this way by calculating 7C2, 7C3, it will take a lot of time. So we will use the formula, and the formula is the sum of all this coefficient. So coefficient NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 up to NCn is equal to 2 to the power n. So this formula you have to keep in mind. It will help you, or else you have to calculate and it will take time. Okay. So this is very simple. NC0 plus NC1 up to NCn equals to 2 to the power n. So just we will apply this formula. So in this case n is 7. So 7C0 plus 7C1 up to 7Cn is equal to 2 to the power 7, which is 2 to the power 7 is 128. So this will be 128 if we calculate from NC0. But in answer, we are calculating from NC1. So just we have to minus the NC0. So see, 7C0 plus 7C1, if we calculate up to 7C7, it is 128. But we are excluding this NC0. So 7C0 we are excluding. So 2 to the power 7 minus we will do 7c 0, and 7c 0 is 1. It means 2 to the power 7 minus 1. So 128 minus 1 is 127. So in this way also we can calculate. I think if you are not clear, so let me write this. So see what I am saying, that 7c 0 plus 7c, if I am written 7c 0 plus in this way, then the answer should be 2 to the power 7, which is 128. But we are excluding this. We have to not calculate 7c 0. It means we will minus it. So 7c 0 is 1. So we will subtract from 128. So it will be 127. So this was all from my side. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. So thank you guys. Take care. Keep learning.